Here I have ASUS ROG gaming phone, and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, we have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here scroll down and pick wallpaper. And now it's time to select the one that you would like to have. You can either pick one from your photos from gallery, one from live wallpapers, or just default one, default ASUS wallpaper. So let me pick, for example, maybe this one. You can decide if you would like to set it just at your home screen or also at your lock screen. You can of course switch it off, but I will set it up on both screens. So once you are sure that you want this particular picture to cover your home screen and your lock screen, tap on apply. And just within 1 second, your home screen and your lock screen is covered by this brand new wallpaper. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.